Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Jeff, and this is GIS Chops. Recently, I've seen on Reddit a bunch of people, job seekers mostly, people trying to get into the GIS field, asking what they can do to sharpen their skills to make them look more attractive to potential employers. I've also been a part of some job interviews lately where candidates have asked, what does an average day look like for me? So I thought I would do a series of videos that are more hands-on or exercise-based, where one week I will provide a task that I've been asked to do or a task that is usually part of my day. The next week I will go over the answer or how I came to the solution of what I was asked to do. Recently I was asked to plot some points. I was given a spreadsheet. This exercise is going to be in a CSV because I think it's more accessible, I guess. So this is very similar to what I was given. It isn't the actual file, but it is very similar. I had ChatGPT come up with 100 random restaurant names in 100 random locations in North America. So that's what the data looks like. This is it actually right here. These are going to be all text files, and your job is to plot these restaurants in a point layer, to get these over to a point layer. And you can use whatever you want. ArcGIS Pro, QGIS. Is that QGIS or QGIS? I never know. I've heard it both ways.
I've heard it both ways. The right way and then yours, I've heard it both ways.
So that's the assignment. Let me know how you get along, whether you get stuck. If you do get stuck, let me know in the comments and I can give you a gentle push in the right direction, give you a little hint, and then you can work from there. And also let me know what you think about this format of video, giving you an exercise and then the week later giving you the answer. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified when these videos upload so that you can keep current and keep your skills sharp. Thanks for tuning in and good luck. We'll see you next week.